How to change the code on a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So first you'll turn the ignition on. Don't need to start it, so keep your foot off the brake. Pop your code in to prove it's you. Receive your double flash. Now what we'll do, we'll hold the full beam back on this Range Rover. Pop our code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a couple of seconds, then we'll release the full beam and you'll see it continues to flash. Now it's in a code learn mode, so we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll wait for 3 flashes. And if you notice, each time I press a button we're getting a flash. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we should only get 2 flashes. There we go. We can turn the vehicle off, our new code is set. Just to make sure, start the car up, pop our new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, and we're good to go.